rice take forever to cook, but it's ready. And we have said grace, and we're going to eat. And Daddy is home. Thank God. Baby, you're home. Guys, I'm going to cook some Jamaican curry goat, ram goat, guys. This is ram goat. I don't know why, but us Jamaicans, we don't eat the she goat knowingly. We like the ram goat. So this is curry. I'm marinating this from last night. Welcome to the channel, guys. And this is basically just the powder seasoning that I have on here. All purpose, some curry. I'm going to get into details with that soon, but let me catch the fire. Welcome back to Steve and Marie. You must have been wondering, where are they? Guys, we're right here. We're right here. Well, I am right here now. Steve is at work. You'll see him when he gets home. So I'm going to run the boat while him work. Guys, it's so windy. No, I don't know why, but curry goat don't taste the same on the stove like when you cook it. My preferred way is wood fire, but even though I like to do it that way, guys, and it's the wind that is blowing you, even though I like to do it that way, I don't like to wash the pot, the black pot after. So I'm going to use coal to do it. I have creng in here and some coconut shell. Before I put in the coal, I'm going to try and catch the creng. Oh, it is so windy. Guys, coconut shell is one of the best things to catch fire outside. It's so oily, you don't need nothing else. Some nice coconut shell. So whenever us cut the coconut to cook the rice and peas, I'm cooking, let me hold you firm, guys. I'm cooking rice and peas with curry goat, and I'm doing some veggies from the garden. I'll take you out there shortly. And I'm doing soursop juice. Some soursop that the hurricane blew off of our soursop tree. I'll show you that shortly as well. I'm making soursop juice with it. Baby, come!
From my almond tree is lying on the ground. And look at my soursop. Everybody blow off. Everybody blow off. Oh dear. Look at this big one. Look here.
This soursop look like it good, Malik. This one, it might be, yes, this one is good. So you can bring this one inside. This one, those two are good too. I never even see them. See them right there? Pick them up. Let me see them, Pops. Yeah, man, these are good. So we got something, making use of it. Burial had nothing on us, my dears. I'm hoping. Stand firm, okay? Guys, stand firm for me. So yes, most of the things, apart from the goat, I hope to start rearing goat. But I just scared the neighbors' dogs kill my goats, so that's why I don't have a goat yet. But I do my own chicken and I plan to do my own goats. I have to figure it out. Because I need to stop by some of these stuff because we don't know what we're eating. As I said earlier, we can only assume that it's ram goat we're eating. Because we didn't kill it ourselves. So we just have to hope and pray we're eating what we're buying. As if I can raise my own, I can kill one goat for the year and that will do us because we eat very little. Even though we look fat. Close the door, baby. In the house, I got full of smoke. Why? Close the front window to bed. Close the guest room window, please. Why are you coughing? What's wrong with you? You can open them when the smoke subsides. Alright, so while my fire catch, let me show you. Let me back up and show you guys what's going on. Look at this cat hiding back here. So, alright, while my fire catching up, let's go get some veggies to put in my before the sun get too much. Mercy. These cats are just hanging out all over. Having fun, eh? Let me get some peppers. And this is a real Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Real Jamaican Scotchy. This you want on your rice and peas and on your curry goat. Let me get two. One for the rice and peas, one for the curry goat. I see some cherry tomatoes to put in my tossed salad. Oh no, I need a ripe scotchy too. I see my lettuce coming in right there. So guys, if you've not been on Farming on the Rocks, that's where I do my gardening. Most of my harvesting is done there, guys, so you can check out Farming on the Rocks for more of the gardening experience. Hold on, what I need, the cherry tomatoes. So many peppers on the little plant here. These little tomatoes are so sweet. I have some in the fridge already. I have a few here that I can get to put in my salad. It is such a good feeling, guys, to be able to just come out here and get most of the ingredients to cook fresh. I need a bell pepper to put in my curry goat. So let me get one from here. There is one right here. I have so many bell peppers. I can pick and choose one I want, really. Let me get this one. Nice. Need some thyme. Yeah, right here. Get a piece of fresh thyme. That will do. Let me get another little piece for the rice and peas. Guys, me and that sun not friend. Look how my lettuce is green and pretty, and the sun making them look as though they're white. I just cool them down. As I harvested my cabbage a couple days ago, I'm gonna show you a clip. Everything else I have inside. I'm going to peel these and cut them up. I'll show you those later. That's from a curry goat. Well, not this. I'm going to fry. This is my famous wood fire pot. I'm going to fry some garlic cloves in a little tubs of oil. And then I'm going to burn the curry in that. So as I was saying, this was marinated in garlic powder, all-purpose, some of the curry, and this is the curry that we use. This is our favorite ever curry, Better Pack. This is a long-standing curry for us. I've known this since childhood. We use others when we can't get this one, but this is our favorite to use. Some black pepper, that's basically, and some garlic, cut up garlic on it. So as I said, the powder season, I use it very lightly because I use most of the seasoning from my garden to season my meat. So I'm going to burn my curry in the oil. And that does not just give it good flavor, it also prevents your tummy from hurting you. And these are my veggies. These are nowhere near going into the pot, but I'm going to prep them so that when the curry is almost done, then I'll add this to the goat. This is Irish carrots, peppers, onion, garlic, scallion, and I'm going to add some pimento seed as well, because curry goat is not curry goat without our reggae ball. We have to have reggae balls in there. And I also have scallion in the garden. I just didn't remember to take you when I was cutting these. But yes, I grow my own scallions too. And just this morning I planted out some onions. So hopefully we can stop buying onions soon. Did I tell you bell peppers? Yes, we have some bell peppers in there. And guys, I have been struggling with the Irish potatoes, and I'm not going to stop trying. The struggles are real. Planted some, as I said, most of my gardening is done on farming on the rocks. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff, if you've not already been over there, most of you I see commenting are coming over from farming on the rocks. So the last attempt failed with the potatoes, so I'm going to try again. The goal is to not go to the market at all. These are, I think these are Hungarian wax pepper. I thought it was banana pepper, but these things, they're hot. But goat has to be spicy for us. I have grown onion for myself before. Nice size onions, but I've just not been consistent with it. I need to be more consistent because this is something we use every day. Alright, so this is what actually flavors our curry goat, really. Or we call this country seasoning. I'm going to allow this to brown or sear for a bit to just lock all of the flavors into the meat before I add any water at all to it. I'm going to fry it, in other words, for a little bit. Now for my rice and peas, I have my peas cooking in here. This is red peas or kidney bean, red kidney bean, and it is being cooked with garlic and some pimento seed already in there. Now I'm going to add my coconut milk. This is the coconut milk. I'm also going to be adding a piece of bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, green scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, and thyme. I'm also going to add a little piece of butter, and that is optional because the coconut has a lot of oil in there. It's really high in cholesterol, to be honest, but we like a little bit of butter in our rice and peas. Now I'm going to allow this seasoning to continue cook in the peas, and I'm gonna finish up on the, I should add some salt here. I'm going to finish up on the coal. Let me add a little salt, just a little. I'm going to finish up on the rice and peas on the coal stove outside. So let this soak in the peas in the slow cooker while we finish up that curry goat. I'm also going to make some soursop juice now. Okay, so when Hurricane Beryl approaches, we start to fret on our soursop because, guys, we just love soursop. So after the hurricane, well, in the middle of the hurricane, we went out there. I'm going to try and find a footage to show you. And my husband saw the soursops on the ground, and he wasn't sure if they were fit, so he left them. And when I went and checked, they look goodish. And so I picked them up, and they ripened a couple days after. I just wrap them in cling wrap and freeze them, and now I'm going to use them to make juice. So I'm not going to deaf you with the blender. I'm going to blend them, and then I'm going to get back to you when I'm sweetening our soursop juice. Post burial soursop juice. Alright, this needs a little bit more water, and then I'm gonna cover it and allow it to cook for a while. Now, the thing is with goat, I can't tell you to cook it for half an hour, 15 minutes, 20, because the texture of the meat varies with the animal that you buy. So you just have to cook it and keep testing until it is tender. I never tell exactly how long this thing is going to take to cook. Sometimes it's very tender and sometimes it's really hard. So let's let that cook for a while. So I'm grating some good old nutmeg. Nutmeg. The soursop juice with milk is not soursop juice unless nutmeg is in there. My nutmeg dropped in my thing. Hold on, let me get it out. So I have to dry it off because can't wait. Grater it wet. Yes, as I was saying. Soursop juice without nutmeg is not soursop juice, right? That's the one with the milk though, because we'll enjoy it with lime as well. Lime and sugar. I'm sweetening today with milk. Clean that out after. And I'm just putting nutmeg and vanilla, because anything else change the flavor of my soursop juice too much. And I want to taste the soursop and not a bunch of flavorings. Could do with a supple though. Let me cut the milk. Once upon a time, tin milk used to be so sweet. Huh. Nowadays, I don't know what tin milk gone to. It's not sweet anymore. Well, I don't want to have it sweet, but I would like my tin milk to stretch a little further. Hurricane Beryl soursop juice, guys. I tell you about the tin milk? Ah, this is so good though. Oh my, so good. Look at that, guys, it's so rich. And this is 2 little soursops from our little soursop tree. Alright. Ah, perfect. This is perfect, guys. Perfect. Awesome. Now we're going to put this in the freezer to get flaky. So these lettuces, my tomatoes, my bell pepper, and my cabbages from the garden. Unfortunately, I have to be buying carrots for now. So this is what I'm going to use to make my little salad. Just check out how tightly this little cabbage is folded. And I harvested some big ones. I just harvested this one because it started getting a little sun scald and I didn't want it to spoil the cabbage. It's beautiful. Alright, so that is it, and all I'm going to add to this is a little bit of salt, just a little, a toops of vinegar, and a little tip of brown sugar. And then I'm just going to toss this and it is ready. Just use a fork and just combine everything. Let me do that and then show you what it looks like. There you have it. Everything except the carrots, fresh from the garden. Fresh and crunchy. Just going to put this in the fridge to sit while I finish up dinner. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to add my country seasoning, my veggies, guys. I'm going to add all of this loveliness now and just a little bit more salt because I'm adding all of this veggie. I need to top up the salt and maybe just a little bit more all-purpose in there. Now, as is, the meat can be eaten as is. I'm just going to allow it to tenderize just a little bit more. We don't like it too soft. We like it with a little bit of bite. Not hard, but with a little bit of bite. We don't like it mushy. So by the time these Irish potatoes and the rest of veggies cook, it will be perfect. And then all that would be left is our rice and peas, because we like the rice and peas hot off the press. It should be ready now. Yeah. Alright. Bye. Malik soon come. On the rice and peas. Well, this is the peas. I'm going to allow it to boil up and then I'll add my rice and allow it to steam on the coal. Guys, you don't want to smell what is happening here. Well, you want to smell what is happening here. Guarantee you want to smell it. rice take forever to cook, but it's ready. And we have said grace, and we're going to eat. And Daddy is home. Thank God. Baby, you're home.
Thank God.
Malik, we need something for Shirley, veggie. Please. Come, buddy, come and eat the dinner.
Come, Papa.
Baby, hurricane beryl. So what's up this, you know? Yes, yes.
Curry good, guys?
Taste and tell me it tastes.
Feels good.
It's rich, you know, man. It tastes good?
It smells nice, it smells like rum good.
It is ram goat. You eat she goat?
You know if a rum or a she I eat?
That's exactly what I said to them. So we need to start raising one goat because we don't know what we eat. We
So
only
why complain?
I don't complain, I just ask if you know if you eat she goat.
Like these years I eat it. And you're not made or move.
Why you bad? You don't want any vegetable? Alright, sit down and eat your rice. Sit and eat your rice.
What happened? What is it?
Guys, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for joining us for dinner today.
Yeah. We're going to leave you though. We're going to leave you short. Did Mikael say bye-bye?
Yes, he
The
did.
baby said bye-bye. He wants to enjoy his dinner. Thank you so much, guys, for the support. We appreciate you. I wish I could give a piece of this pear.
This is from the garden, right?
Yes, except for the carrot. Everything else is from the garden.
Fresh from the garden, guys.
Yeah. I took them to the garden with me.
Oh, okay.
I did.
There you go.
Thank you, Mali, but you didn't give me anything to eat with.
What happened?
When eat? Did you eat the reggae ball?
What happened? You can't be doing that. Little man.
Mikael, you're
Little
throwing
man.
away your food.
Michael.
Guys, if you're watching and you've not yet subscribed, please do us that favor and press that subscribe button. And also the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post another video. Guys, please remember to like and leave your comments, as many comments as you like. Share with your friends, guys, because if you like our videos, chances are your friends will like them too. Alright?
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.